Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the global illumination quality setting in the 7 Deadly Sins Origins. Let's begin by opening settings. From there, navigate to graphics. Then, in the graphics section, scroll down. Look for the global illumination quality. Here, open the context window. As you can see, you can change the setting from very low to medium to high to very high. Pick whichever one you prefer. I will go with medium. Once you make your choice, press the X button. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.